Hello everyone and welcome back. So you have built your PC or you have changed some parts or just you want just rest test your PC to make sure everything is working fine. First you need HWiNFO, just came here, read and then download the version you want. So whether the installer or just the portable version, I like the portable version more. Then secondly go to FurMark, choose whatever you want here from FurMark 2. Just click it and download button will appear here. Hit download and everything will start downloading. You will find both applications after in your download. Just right click and extract both of them. First let's open HWiNFO. Here we go. Here make sure it's just sensor only and hit start. Go back, open FurMark. So first here as you see we have the information about our CPU, motherboard and GPU and all the things if you want to check them. First let's start with the CPU burner here from FurMark. This is what will stress our CPU and make it under 100% of load. As you will see in a few seconds everything here will go up. Here we are. Then secondly go here, check your screen resolution and run test. So right now we are running two tests that's pushing our CPU and GPU to the limit. All you need to do now is to wait from 10 to 30 minutes. So what is the ideal after that? After that just look at your GPU temperature here, also the GPU hotspot. So the ideal case is that the GPU temperature will not reach 90°, and in the other side here in HWiNFO your CPU also will not exceed the 90. So if you reach 90°, whether in your GPU or CPU there is something wrong. So whether it's just your fan formation, if you want to know more about them check the previous video, or there is just dust in your fans or in your fan filter, just clean your PC and everything will be okay after it. And as you see here you may see that my Ryzen 5 7600X just hovering around 70°. This is because of our PPU enhancement. If you want to know more about it, check it from the other video. So all the links for this application you will find them down in description, and the videos up in the card down in description, and feel free to ask every information you want or any comment you want down in the comment section. I read them all. That's it for this video. See you in the other one.